It's still hot outside, but fall is just right around the corner, and nothing signals fall more than football, and the kids will be back in school. Some things to think about in fall are some fall blooming plants to bring some excitement to your landscape. Some of our perennials will continue to bloom, like this Duranta here, just gorgeous, one of my favorites. Has these beautiful purple blooms that butterflies and hummingbirds and bees just love, bringing the purple to your landscape. Another plant that brings some tropical feel to your landscape is this candlestick plant or cassia plant. This will bring your yellow color to your landscape in the fall. It will continue to bloom throughout the fall. Some other selections that you could choose are this Louisiana super plant, Shishigashira. Beautiful performer, will have pink blooms in the fall around October for several weeks, just providing some gorgeous fall color to your landscape. A couple of few other interesting plants are these stone crop that tend to bloom in the autumn. This one here is called Ayers Rock, and it's got a green to red colored leaf and will have some kind of bronze colored flowers in the fall. One other exciting flowering stone crop is this autumn fire that will give us some more bronze red color in the fall. So to bring some interesting color to your landscapes, try these plants. For Get It Growing, this is Heather Kirk-Ballard with the LSU Ag Center.